Take the time that you need to move your retail store online or to build an entirely new online store. Shopify is offering a 90-day free trial for anyone new to the platform. Make the most of your free trial by subscribing to our channel for new help tutorials every week. To start your online store, visit shopify.com and click Start Free Trial. Enter your email address, a password you'll use to log in, and what you'd like to name your store. The store name you enter automatically creates a URL that customers will see. By default, your URL will be yourstorename.myshopify.com. This new store is called Kaylas Kitchen, so the URL is kaylaskitchen.myshopify.com. Don't worry about choosing the perfect store name right now. After you're on Shopify, you can purchase a custom domain that better represents your brand. Next, click Create Your Store. The next page is optional, but here you can enter some details about yourself and your business. If you're creating a store for yourself, then leave the bottom box unchecked. This checkbox is for developers or contractors creating stores on behalf of clients. These people are known as Shopify experts. When you're done, click Next. Now, fill out your business information. You can always adjust this information later in your Shopify admin settings. Before you move forward, be sure to read through Shopify's terms of service and privacy policy. When you're ready, click Enter My Store. And that's it. You're now in the Shopify admin of your new online store. You'll receive an email shortly confirming the store registration. If you signed up with an email address that is connected to another Shopify store, you see a prompt to sign in using single sign-on. This means you can log into any of your Shopify stores using the same email and password, including the new store you just created. Now that you have a store, it's time to set it up so you can get selling. Subscribe now and watch our playlist on getting started with Shopify. If you have any questions, then comment below, and don't forget to bookmark help.shopify.com for more guidance.